Hi guys! Dark mode uses a predominantly dark color scene, typically with white or light text on a dark background. This helps to reduce eye strain, especially in low light conditions or during nighttime usage. By minimizing the amount of bright light emitted by your phone's screen, dark mode can make prolonged reading or browsing sessions more comfortable for your eyes. Many smartphones today feature OLED or AMOLED displays, where individual pixels emit their own light. In dark mode, these displays can turn off or dim pixels that display black, resulting in lower power consumption. By using dark mode, you can potentially extend your battery's life, especially if you spend a significant amount of time using apps with dark interfaces. So in this video, you're gonna learn how to get dark mode on Android. To do that, scroll up or down to your mobile device, and in here, scroll down those option and tap the three dots at the center below. In here, find the dark mode option here and drag it to the main option. Then tap done. And then scroll up again and enable dark mode. So that's how to get dark mode on Android. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching.